In today's class, we will be learning the topic, Industries in Nigeria. Industry can be defined as commercial production and sale of goods or a specific branch of production and trade. In this sense, industry refers to a collective term for a group of activities directed to the production of a given class of commodities or a group of firms engaged in the same area of production. For example, all firms producing textiles belong to the textile industry. Firm. This refers to a single unit or entity that carries out production of goods or services. It is a single, independently administered business unit of an industry. Factory and plant. A factory is an industrial building where laborers manufacture goods or supervise machines processing one product into another. Industrialization. This involves the establishment of as many industries as possible. It is the process of increasing the numerical number of industries in an economy. Industrial estate. An industrial estate, also known as industrial park, is an area zoned and planned for the purpose of industrial development. Localization of industries. Localization of industries refers to the concentration of firms in a particular area or locality. The essence of this is for firms to enjoy external economies of scale that have been created by pioneer industries in the area of technology, transportation, communication, accommodation and other facilities. The role of industrialization in economic development. It leads to the diversification of the economy and the expansion of employment opportunities. It enhances the utilization of both human and non-human resources to the fullest, fostering the development of agro-allied industries and skilled labor. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.